Today we will discuss about real estate of Pakistan, its demand, total worth, regularity authority if any, real estate education in Pakistan, and real estate agent/advisor role in Pakistan's economy. Let's start. Welcome back, hope you all will be fine. I am here with another video, watch till end to understand completely. Number 1, real estate demand. Demand for residential properties in Pakistan grew in 2010, leading to increased interest among real estate developers and investors. Since prices have exceeded 10 million PKR, new housing developments are often aimed at the upper middle class. To assist the real estate sector, the government of Pakistan announced a reduction in interest rates on mortgage loans in 2012. In 2017, the housing gap in Punjab, one of the largest provinces of Pakistan, was around 2.3 million units. This figure is expected to reach the figure of 11.3 million units by the end of 2047. The prominent factors causing the shortages includes rural to urban migration, population growth, lower interest rates, and tax incentives, the poor quality of available properties, and the subsidy schemes, like Roshan Apnagar, Marigar Mera Pakistan, etc., in urban areas of the country. According to a report, the population in Pakistan has grown by 2.1% between year 2016 to 2021. With the given trend, the figure would reach 231.58 million in year 2023. The overall real estate industry contributed significantly to Pakistan's GDP during the stated period with a growth rate of between 5.4% to 5.9%. Number 2, real estate sector worth. Moreover, many more billions are spent on buying residential and commercial plots. Pakistan's real estate sector is worth anywhere between $300 to $400 billion. According to the Pakistan Bureau of Statistics, construction output accounts for 2% of GDP, with housing representing less than half that total. With the rate of urbanization that Pakistan has been experiencing, there is a growing need for urban planning. Number 3, real estate regulatory authority. Real Estate Regulatory Authority has been made for real estate sector, although the Association of Builders and Developers is against its formation, that's why it cannot be functional properly, but we expect it to be implemented soon. Number 4, real estate education. NUST is offering real estate basic courses in collaboration with Emirat Group. University of Engineering and Technology offers Master of Science in Real Estate Management. Panjwani Institute of Business Studies and Technology offers Professional Diploma in Real Estate Management. National Institute of Real Estate Management offers Real Estate Professionals Development Program. Number 5, real estate agents role. The real estate industry is one of the fastest growing industries in Pakistan. According to the Federation of Pakistan Chambers of Commerce and Industry, real estate agents/advisors are playing an important role in the economic development of the country. Construction sector has grown by 9%, which indicates its strength, but this robust sector needs help of the real estate sector. Hope you liked my video. If you are new, please subscribe my channel for more updates. For any query, please contact on given number. Stay blessed.